Welcome back to Hunter, Douglas, and Randall Company. No low ballers, I know what I got. Anyways, this is the second original. It's from 1991. Someone's doing some welding outside. And I thought I'd switch over the blades to the oak side because on top there are some paint splatters. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it on this one, but they are there, so this side looks nicer. Using the canopy from the other one, because this came with the slope ceiling adapter thing that's incomplete. It's the tag, still using the 1.1 amp motor. The only thing that's different between this and the other one is that this uses Phillips head screws instead of flathead ones for blade irons. And also the pull chain was cut very short. It was clearly on a wall control, but I don't know why people do that. But anyways. This one's also going to be a bit shorter because on medium and high you can hear the fan running without any oil basically, because this was also drained and it was working fine and still is actually, but I ran it on high for too long and then it realized, oh wait, I need oil, and now it makes sort of a running mode noise. It's fine for the sake of this video though. I'm also pretty sure this is the one that's going to be for sale. Not for sale, hoss. Yeah, these have such a nice low speed, in my opinion. Oh, the fridge has gone quiet. Oh, and the reverse switch is upside down. I don't know why that is, but it does still work all the same. There's a very, very slight wobble. Certainly a lot less than the other one. It's actually not making any noise. Maybe I said all of that for nothing. But I'll put the camera up to the motor in case it does it on high speed. Speaking of that. Oh yeah, there it is. I don't know how well you can hear it over just the amount of air that's being moved. Downrod is also done by me. It's just galvanized steel pipe that is bare metal. Because both these came with super long downrods. If you didn't know from the last video, if you haven't seen it. But thankfully, nobody put Loctite in the downrod because I absolutely cannot stand when people do that, because then it becomes basically impossible to get them out. If you get lucky, they might come out with some special tools, but oh my god, is that annoying. Thankfully none of that was in these though, so they came right out pretty much. If you don't know what Loctite is, it's stuff that is meant to, in this case, keep the downrod sealed in there for forever. They came in either red or blue colors. I'm not sure which one's stronger. I think blue might have been the stronger one. But if you go to remove a downrod and you see red or blue, anywhere, just know that you're done for. It'd be easier to buy a house with larger ceilings. But yeah, that's going to do it for the second Hunter Douglas Randall and Ralph, whatever Facebook Marketplace sellers call this, ceiling fan, spelled with an S. And I'll see you guys in the next one.